Hey YouTube, welcome back to another episode. Today, we're doing some more powder coating for you, taking you through another step-by-step summary of how I do some of my work. Today, we are working on some airplane parts. Stay tuned, we'll go a little bit more about them here in a second. Let's roll the intro. Alright, welcome back. Here, we don't only do just car parts or fishing boat doors. We also get into doing some airplane parts as well. Everything from wing stabilizers to landing gear, valve covers, dash panels. And here we have some elevators, and I got the rudders getting ready to be sandblasted. You can see they're in hard shape, not bad, a little rusty. We're going to sandblast them down, put some primer on them, powder coat them white. Then there's the air compressor again. But after we're done that, the customer's going to come get them. He's going to wrap them up in some canvas and put them back on the plane he's working on. Stick around, see where we go. Alright, here we are out here by sandblasting pit. You can see I got one more of these rudders out here. You can see what it looks like now. Minute, we're going to get blasting on it. You can see the Camaro rim right there that we're going to be doing here next. So let's get going. Get this sandblasted, get clean, and then show you what they look like done. Alright, so you just saw me quickly blasting up one side of these. As you can see, it's looking a lot better than it was. Still have a couple more sides to do. But keep in mind, that's where we started. A lot of glue, adhesive, paints. And now this is where we're at, for this side anyway. Still got to finish off the rest of this side, and then we're going to put it in the oven, get it sprayed white, show you what they look like. I've got the other ones I already showed you, they're almost done, so we'll have that for you in a few minutes. And I'm going to get back, finish off these and get these done. Stick around. Alright, welcome back. We just finished doing some sandblasting on some of these parts here. We have them here, and as you can see, this one's a little different than the first one you saw. This is one of the ones that was outside already being sandblasted. You can see it's all stripped down. And then we had this one here. This is one of the ones that I showed originally. And you can see it's all sandblasted as well. So now it's time to get some primer on these and then start making them white. And then we've got two more of them to do. Stick around. Okay everybody, thanks for sticking around. Now we just finished sandblasting up that rudder that you saw me doing there a minute ago. Here it is here. You can see it's all nice and clean now. No more adhesive, paint, anything like that on it. So it's ready to go in the oven for the next couple steps of the process. But in the meantime, I'm going to take this, tuck it right off to the side for a second. Set it down so it doesn't get damaged. And I'm going to show you the finished ones. And there we are. Nice, bright, high gloss white. Customer is going to be real happy with these. You see how it's got that real nice, smooth, high gloss shine to it. There we go. So now it's time to take these out, get the others in, and make the others look just like these. So while I do that, slide your mouse over, click that subscribe button in that bottom corner, stick around, see what else we have on the go. As you saw in a little earlier in this video, I got some Camaro rims coming up. I've got some, I believe it's off of an old Ford. It's an air cleaner housing and some of the coolant lines. It's off a, I think it's a 1980 Ford cab over transport. We'll make that video as well. And shortly, if you've seen my RX-7 folder with an extra new video doing the front shocks, we're getting ready to reveal what the car itself looks like right now. And then we're going to go along for the process of getting it back on the road and restoring it. So, lots of stuff coming. So click that subscribe button. Let me know what you think of everything. Drop a comment, leave a like, stick around. And one last thing. Don't forget, keep it loud, stay warm. Can't forget that part.